Today's video is on Cooperative Society, Chapter 8 of Commercial Studies. We are going to discuss some important MCQs. Try to solve it on your own. Just pause the video, try to give the correct answer and check your preparations. And don't forget to share your scores in the comment section. Let's begin with our first question. A cooperative society is primarily formed to A. Maximize the profit of its member. B. Provide services to its member. C. Reduce government intervention. Or D. Elimination of competition from big firms. कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी मेनली किस लिए बनती है? The correct answer is option number, because a cooperative society's main aim is service motive, mutual help, not profit maximization. So the correct answer for question 1 is option number B. Next question is based on assertion and reason. A cooperative society is based on principle of one member, one vote, and the reason is voting right in a cooperative society depends on number of shares held. Options are option A, both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is correct but R is wrong. Or option D, A is wrong but R is correct. The correct answer is option number C. A is correct, R is wrong. Cooperative societies follow democratic control. Every member has equal vote irrespective of shareholdings. So the reason given for the assertion is wrong, because voting right of cooperative society does not depend on the number of shares. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a difference between cooperative society and joint stock company? दोनों के बीच में कौन सा डिफरेंस नहीं है? Options are cooperative is service oriented, company is profit oriented. Option B, cooperative registration is compulsory, company registration is optional. Option C, cooperatives have democratic control, company voting depends on shares. And option D, cooperative have limited liability, company may have limited or unlimited liability. So the correct answer for this question will be option number B, because both requires compulsory registration. Hence option B is an incorrect option. Next, question number 4 is based on assertion and reason. Assertion is, in a cooperative society, membership is open to all without discrimination. And the reason is, partnership firm restrict membership to a maximum of 50% as per the Companies Act. Options are both A and R are true, R explains A. Option B, both A and R are true but R does not explains A. Option C, A is true, R is false. And option D, both A and R are false. So the correct answer will be option number B. Both statements are correct but not related. Cooperative is open to all while partnership has members limit. Next one is question number 5. Which feature of cooperative society ensures protection of weaker section against exploitation? Options are A, limited liability, B, government control, C, state patronage, or D, democratic management. The correct answer will be option number D. Due to equal voting rights and collective decisions, which makes weaker members protected. Question number 6 is again based on assertion and reason. A cooperative society often suffers from lack of efficiency in management, and the reason is this is because professional managers are rarely appointed and office bearers usually work part-time. Options are both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is true, R is false, or option D, both A and R are false. So the correct answer will be option number A. Low efficiency is due to amateur management. Most members are not trained professionals. Now, question number 7 is the minimum number of members required to form a cooperative society under a Cooperative Society Act is, options are 2, B 7, C 10 or D 50. The correct answer is option number C. At least 10 adults are required to register a cooperative society. And the last question of today's video is, which of the following makes raising large capital difficult in cooperative society compared to joint stock company? Options are A, compulsory registration, B, principle of service motive, C, limited return on capital, or D, unlimited membership. So the correct answer will be option number C, because member invest less because of limited dividend on capital, less capital compared to companies. So the correct answer will be option number C.